Hi, I'm Kev from 24/7 Blinds, and in this video we're going to take a look at how to measure your window for wooden blinds. Wooden blinds are the most stylish way to add some privacy to your window, but they're also great if you want to add a sophisticated design statement to any room. And once you have your measurements saved, swapping or personalising these blinds can be a great way to freshen up a room style throughout the year. So let's get started and take a look at what you're going to need to measure this window. To measure for your wooden blind, you're going to need a metal tape measure, a pencil and a pad. And throughout this video, we'll be referring to all measurements in centimetres. Before we start taking measurements, we need to know where we're going to be fitting the blinds. There are two ways to fit a blind to any window, either inside the recess or outside the recess. So long as your windows open outwards or your doors slide open and you have a recess depth of approximately 6 centimetres or more, then you should be looking to use an inside the recess or recess fit option. This is the most common and contemporary way to fit blinds to any window. If your windows open inwards or your recesses are shallower than 6 centimetres, then an outside the recess or exact measurement may be the best option for you. In which case, we recommend you add 6 centimetres all the way around the recess of the window. Today we're going to focus on the most common inside the recess measurements. We're going to start by measuring the width, and don't just measure to the edge of the window panels, the window frames, measure all the way to the edge of the window recess itself. And you're going to need to make 3 measurements. Take one at the top, one across the middle, and then one lower down across the full width. All that's left to do is to head over to the website, select your choice of blind from our wide range of styles and colours, and enter your measurements. Don't forget to select whether you need inside or outside the recess blinds, and which side you would like to put the blind's controls on. Now you're all set, so click the link below to find out how to fit your brand new wooden blinds.